everyone, welcome to our geometry class. Today I will teach you what I mean chord. Okay, chords. We are using chords. We have our first topic. I will teach you one topic today, only arcs and chords. To show this, I will solve a couple problems. To show you what I mean this. So our first problem, let me write the problem is what is the length of UV. So it's our problem in this graph, this circle. We have that circle. In the circle, we have two lines right here. I mean, this one is not like this. Okay, like that. Let's write this is U. This is UV. This is S. And this is T. And this line is equals 10. And then 86 degrees right here. Okay, 86. Okay, 86. Okay, that's our problem. Remember, two chords in a circle is a crew. Two chords in the circle. Two chords in a circle are congruent let me in other words, two arcs. Let's write two arcs in a circle are congruent. Yeah, congruent. Yeah, are congruent if only if they corresponding arc are congruent. Corresponding are is now let's see it corresponds in opposite. Two chords are two chords in a circle are congruent if only if the corresponding arcs are congruent. Or the other words, two arcs in a circle are congruent if only if the corresponding chords are congruent. I mean, it's an opposite. We're talking about the arcs, and chords. All right. So check this picture. Two chords in a circle are congruent. Where is the chord? These chords are congruent if only there are congruent. They are. I mean, this is the arc. They are the circles and part of the circle are congruent. Okay. So then, in this case, in this problem, how write the problem? So let's write ST. So ST, this one ST and UV and UV are chords. Okay, are chords in a circle. So then, so they corresponding here. Remember the concept. So here they corresponding are congruent. So AST is congruent to UV. Okay, then a UV is equals ST. See how much is ST? S equals 10, right? S equals 10. So UV is equals 10, right? The measure of UV is equals 10, right? This is equals 10 too, right? That's it. That's the answer. Let me show you another problem with different question. So now let's write B. Problem B. What is the measure of TU? So let's make a picture. This is my circle here. This. All right. So like that. That's the circle, and then this circle has again. Let me make these two lines. These lines are equals. We have W here. We have B, 77 degrees, T, and U. That's the all information to our problem. So how solve the problem? We have to take the arc TU. All right. This I remember in the concept we have to think in an opposite way. And arc UW, look, these two arcs those two are arc those two are those two are in this circle, okay? And then the corresponding chords these chords are congruent. So then TU mean RTU is congruent to arc BW. So the measure of arc TU is equals of the measure of arc BW, right? So equals 77 degrees. You have it already over there. So the measure of the arc of TU is equals 77 degrees. 77 degrees. Perfect. So that's the solution to our problem. Okay, let me show you two more problems. Two more problems here. Let me write the problem. Now it's different. Look at the question. The difference here is the question. The question. So what is the delay now? What is the delay of G, FG? FG. That's the question here now. So we have a circle. Our circle is in this way, and also we have to divide the circle in these couple of lines. is at 38 degrees right here. This is E. This is angle D. This angle G. We have F right here. So this line, this arc, this is the arc. That are equal. It's are congruent. Okay, that means that those are congruent, right? So the process DE, I mean the chords DE, and what else? FG are chords in a circle, right? And then the corresponding arcs are congruent. So their corresponding arc, see the arcs? See the arc, their correspond, this is the corresponding arc, are congruent. And so and then we have DE, I mean the chord DE is congruent to FG, chord FG. Then FG is equals DE equals 38, right? So the measure of FG chart FG is equals 38. That's a conclusion. See? Okay. The last question. Let me show you last question. It's very simple class, easy for you today. This question, what is the measure of QR? It's arc, RQR. What is the problem? We have this circle. We are talking about remembering the circles. Let me write this question like this. The graph of the circle, and then right here, this is 20. This is 68 degrees. This is P. This is S. Q is 20, and this is R. Okay, that's our picture. We have to find the measure of QR, the arc. Q arc. We have to find this measure. Okay, QR. So RPS arc. P is this arc, and QR, RQR, these are arcs in a circle. And then they corresponding chords, now they are the opposite chords. Chords are congruent, correct? So PS arc is congruent to QR, R to QR, RQR right here. So this is the measure of PS is equals 68 degrees. So the measure of QR is equals 68 degrees. See, because our correspondent. So it's simple. It's you don't have to think a lot in this problem, but it's important. It's very important. No, this kind of problems inside when we are using the circles in the future. This is the base for complex problems in the future in mathematics. Okay, thank you so much. I'm waiting for you to review some mathematics. Mondays 3 p.m. and Thursdays 3 p.m. Monday and Tuesday at 3 p.m. Thank you so much.